Guardian Calendars are an affordable, easy-to-use solution for all of your dye sublimation paper transfer and direct-to-fabric applications. Its intuitive design makes for quick, easy use, maintenance, and cleaning, saving valuable production time. Solid, all-steel construction provides high-quality performance and ensures Guardian Calendars are built to last. Guardian Calendars are delivered with 6 self-locking mandrels, 3 for feeding material and 3 for take-up of tissue paper, transfer paper, and fabric after the sublimation process is complete. No tools are required to load or unload media from the calendar. Each mandrel includes a material centering system which allows a user to quickly and accurately load the calendar for production. Engineered as a production device, the Guardian Calendar will allow you to quickly and easily produce flags, tablecloths, gaming table covers, banners, athletic apparel, office, and home decor products at production speeds of up to 71 yards per hour. The Guardian Calendar is a precision machine providing the end user with full control over the production process. Equipped with a digital temperature control system, Guardian Calendars can reach temperatures of up to 428 degrees in 30 minutes or less, resulting in faster production uptime. Heat is supplied by a specially engineered infrared lamp, resulting in even temperature across the drum when running pieces or roll to roll. Dwell time is adjustable from 20 to 190 seconds, providing users with the ability to accurately and precisely control the production environment. Guardian Calendars include safety features engineered to provide a safe work environment for the operator. The plexiglass front cover protects users from the feed mechanism and the risk of burns. It also protects the felt belt and drive system from being damaged by foreign objects. Guardian provides thermal isolation from all exposed surfaces to protect the user from the risk of burns while operating the calendar. There are 2 emergency stop buttons located in the front and rear of the calendar. Guardian Calendars are also equipped with a system override. If any of the safety features are activated, the user must press the reset button to re-engage the calendar. Nomex felt belt with a Kevlar reinforced center provides added durability. The belt is mechanically adjusted and does not require compressed air. There is no need for adjustment before, during, or after the transfer process. The optional piece production table and receptacle for cut pieces mounted on the rear of the calendar allows the operator to quickly and easily run pieces of fabric ranging from athletic apparel to handkerchiefs. The table is designed to quickly attach and detach from the calendar, providing a seamless transition between roll-to-roll and piece production. Transfer paper is loaded and tensioned on the front of the table using the transfer paper feed mandrel. The material feed guide assists in feeding transfer paper and fabric pieces flattened to the calendar. Printed paper is kept in contact with pre-cut pieces by the pressure roller bar mounted on the top of the table adjacent to the throat of the calendar. The receptacle for cut pieces quickly and easily attaches and detaches from the back of the calendar and is engineered to receive cut pieces after the sublimation process is complete. When not in use, the receptacle can be folded for storage. The Guardian Calendar is a step forward in improving production time while still maintaining quality with its precision media management system, temperature controls, and production capacity. Users now have the functionality and ease needed in a large format calendar system. The universal mandrels, Nomex belt, and precision media controls provide a smooth, easy to manage material feed system, while the built-in safety features keep the operator safe. Take control of your workflow today with Guardian Calendars. For more information, contact your dealer or go to supply55.com.